we will be guiding you for dental GPSC clearance. How to prepare, what to prepare, which books to read, all these important questions as well as your important strategy for your NEET MDS as well as dental GPSC all will be cleared in this lecture. When you are going for any preparation, you have to keep in mind, apart from your preparation, you have to keep in your mind your time management. When will you study? When will you go for revision? When will you recall? And when will you go for test? When will you go for the solution? All these questions are to be answered first before preparation. Now, I mean is when you go for any preparation in at this point of time, you should keep in your mind your time for the prelim exam. You are having exam in the month of October or November, so we are running short of time, so you have to prepare a strategy. By this time this subject will be cleared. By this time all the doubts will be cleared, all notes will be prepared. So I request all of the students, those who are present or those who are present, please mark their present in the comment, and afterwards we will start today's lecture. It's an important lecture because in the previous lectures we have discussed all about basics. Today we will be starting with the continuation, but still if all the students request or if anyone wishes that you please revise all the previous topics, we will once again revise and then continue with the new topic. But just you have to comment. You can comment in the section below, type your doubts here so that I can get your message. So I will wait for all the students to join. After that we will start today's lecture. It will be started either based on your demand, that if you want revision, we will be soon in 10 to 15 minutes we will be revising all the previous topics what we have taught in the previous lecture. And if you wish that sir please continue with the new topics, we will be going with new topics. Let all the students mark their present.